Hi guys, look at sa ato ang video karon guys. Extreme $5 loaded with 88 prizes. Eat. And Manipaso. Gambler na pud ta guys. Kaning Manipaso. Puzzle. Haha. Spell it guys. IT. Kana sige tagpalit ana. What you daog. Of course, pildi. Not today. We have this $5. 50 times multiple cash, guys. Multiplier patanawa, guys. Ipang $10. 24. I got 24, guys. Oh, $10. 24. See that 24? Multiply by 1 only guys. Wala tayong mahimo guys. Wala tayong magawa. So na ako tayo laing atong i-open. Money Vault multiplier. Let's see this $2 guys. This one is already a winner. Yeah. $10. I wish can I get 20 times, diba? So let's open more. Sa $10 na to, kanang $2. And oh my gulay guys, what's out with this guys? Winning. Namasin ta guys, namasin kay basin pa lang kapalit tag isa ka sakong bugas. Kaya ang isa ka sakong bugas parte ng mahala. Let's scratch it guys. Stay tuned. So how can we scratch this guys? How can you play this? How? So how is this work? There is 8,088. Scam na po ni guys, di? If that number 2 will come out in this area, guys. Good luck to that. So extreme, guys. Would you try the og? Loaded sa 8888. Oh, loaded siya 888. Pero walay win. Better luck next time. Wow, pilde. Let's try this one guys. Good luck with this $2 one. Let's see if we'll win. Scratch. Gambling is over guys. Pilde na po. Good luck with that. What you kay luck guys. Luck na lang. Let's jump into this. Oh, wow. Good luck with that. 10 million.